bought a fan from Lazada because we had trouble reusing oil and put it in a bottle. But since we don't go out to the mall, we had the funnel delivered.
Online, right? Delivered online.
Yes, via Lazada.
So, let's unbox.
Come on.
So, here's the funnel.
So, box. It has no bubble wrap.
But it sure is a tornado
Sure has.
like. It's turning, it looks like a tornado.
It's a funnel. Of course, it should have turned it. There. It has protective covering. And
Oh, it's metal. I didn't know it's metal. I thought it would be glass.
there you go.
And what's this thing for?
That's, you put it here.
So, it's like a strainer.
Yes.
All the liquids will pass through. All the solids will stay here.
Yes.
If you want to prepare perfect calamansi juice.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
But we're not gonna use this only for calamansi juice. So,
Yes, we can use it for oil, for vinegar, especially for oil because we always reuse our oil after cooking.
bacon.
Yeah, bacon extract, after cooking pork belly,
Yeah, and
pork chops.
and this funnel is useful because instead of spilling water everywhere, it will come here.
Yes.
It will make a nice neat filling.
Yes, this will end up in a bottle for use.
So thank you for watching.
There you have it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also by ringing the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. This is my dad
This is my son Bob.
saying
Happy weekend! Since we do not go out so often,
Hi everyone! Today we are going to unbox and assemble a chair.
Hindi pa yun.